Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the three best AI tools for creating presentations. So the first one on the list is Slides AI. So open your browser, then type in your browser Slides AI, hit enter. Now once you're here, open this one, the Slides AI in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Now once you're here, you will have to click on this install button, or you can even start for free with the link down in the description. Just hit on install, click on continue. Now after that it has been installed, open a new tab and go to Google Slides. Hit enter, click on go to slides, create a new presentation. Now once you're here, click on this one, the extensions tab, and click on slidesai.io. After that, click on generate slides. After that, this menu will open. Now once you're here, click on this from a topic. Now once you're here, you will have to type in the topic of your presentation. For example, I'm gonna say solar system. After that, you can also add some additional information, and you can also change the number of slides. I'm going to decrease it to, let's say, 5. Take this option, the add images option. After that, you can select the theme of your slides, and you can even create your custom one by just clicking on this button here. After that, I'm just going to select a basic one. I'm going to go for this one, click on select, back, and click on create slides. Now, after the slides have been created, exit this menu and you can check out the slides from here. So the first one, the second one here, third one here. But as you can see, some images may not be relevant to the topic of the slide. For example, it is talking about the sun and it is showing galaxy. So you can fix this well, just click on the extension button once again, click on slides AI and click on magic right this time. Now this menu on the right side will pop up. So just click on recommended images. So as you can see, it has provided me with different pictures relevant to the topic of the title. So just select that old picture and click on this use this button. And that image will be added here. So that's how you can change the images of the slides as well. The next one on the list is Magic Slides. So just type it in, Magic Slides. Hit enter. The installation process is the same for Magic Slides AI as well. Just scroll down, go to Google Workspace, and just install it from here. And also you can start with the link down in the description. Hit install, click on continue. Now after it has been installed, open a new tab, go to Google Slides again, Google Slides, hit enter, go to the website, click on go to slides, create a new presentation. Now once you're here, click on extensions and click on magic slides. After that, click on generate PPT. So this menu on the right side will open. Here you will enter the topic of what your representation is about. I'm just gonna say green energy. After that, you can enter some reference text as well. It is an option, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. You can also choose an extra information source. I'm gonna go for Wikipedia by title. After that, you can change the number of slides as well. The maximum is 10, so I'm just gonna go to 6. After that, you can also choose the language in which you want the presentation to be. I'm just going to leave it in English. After that, go back up and you can customize the colors and fonts of the presentation from this menu down here. I'm just going to leave it as it is and go back to the text menu, scroll down and hit on generate. There, our presentation has been made. The next slide. So it does provide you more information about that topic, but you can't change the images as in Slides AI. So the next one on the list is Slides GPT. Slides GPT. Hit enter. After that, go to the website. You can create unlimited presentations on Slides GPT with the free plan. But for more features, there is a paid plan. You can use the link in the description for 10% off on the paid plan. So once you're at the website, you just have to type in the topic. I'm just gonna say solar system again. Solar system. For that, click on create text. So here the presentation has been made. This is the introduction slide. Now on this website, you don't have much freedom as you can just write in the topic. You can't change the slides color, the themes of the slides, and you can't change the pictures as well. Now, if you want to download a presentation and you click on the download button, they will ask for you to upgrade to the paid plan. So you can't use the presentations made from Slide GPT directly, but you can use them as an inspiration for your own presentation. So that's pretty much it. And those were the three best AI tools for creating presentations. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.